Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you remove someone or unfriend someone on Snapchat. So it's quite easy actually. First of all you need to do is open up their chat. So in this case I have already have this chat open of my friend, and it is giving them a notification that I'm recording their chat. So on the top left you can press on their name. And now you're gonna press on these three dots on the top right. Press that. You can press manage friendship and you can press remove friend. And pressing this will remove them as a friend. And now, depending upon their privacy, you might or might not be able to send them any messages. So that is pretty much it about this video. What another way to unfriend someone would be that you go to your friends page, which is by swiping to the left side of your Snapchat. Right now I'm not doing that because I'm not trying to reveal my contacts and for privacy reasons. So you can just long tap on their name and you will see the same menu as you got here. And now I'm getting this add friend option, but then you can also avail the same menu through that. So that is pretty much it from this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.